Here's how to make a glitch transition in Premiere Pro. Make a new adjustment layer and drag it above the area where two clips are meeting. Around the area, go 3 frames forward and make a cut to the adjustment layer. Delete the leftover part and then go back to the middle area. Go back 4 frames and expand the adjustment layer towards that point in the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and drag the directional blur onto the layer, and also drag the transform effect as well. In the effect controls, make the blur length 50. Then under transform, uncheck this box right here and make the shutter angle 360. Now keyframe the starting point of the scale option, still under transform of course, and go to the middle and change the value to 200. Then go to the ending point and change the value back to 100. Now on the timeline, position the indicator at the beginning of your adjustment layer. Activate the razor tool using C on the keyboard and then basically move 1 frame at a time, and each time you do that, make a cut. After that, leave one chunk untouched and select the next one. Leave a chunk like this and select the other chunks while holding shift on the keyboard. Finally, hit delete, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and sub. Also feel free to check out this next tutorial.